Never in my life have I seen something so cute. He even has hearts on his paws. Are you kidding me? There are weight in these long arms. Can you imagine your kid dragging this around by its arm and it's just getting all dirty? It's just got all the love in the world and he makes your kid feel really special. There's beads in the hands, feet, and belly, so he's very weighted. And the idea is that it's supposed to feel like he's giving you a hug, and it really does feel that way. You want to heal your inner child? Grab this. Can't believe he's not sold out yet. This is the cutest stuffed animal I think I've ever seen in my entire life. I can't think of a better stuffed animal for your kid for Christmas than this guy right here. He is so freaking cute.